Parang gano'n, tinakita daw. Digital eh. Parang kami Mexican mo.
100 ka na. Nagpipicture tata Marlene. Kaya mo, lumata.
It's a great job. It's a great job. You haven't paid anything. You have to be up at all hours because your contacts are all over the web. There you go. Who does these things? Thank you very much. Alex always makes me work for my dinner. I know. Okay.
Provided help during Typhoon Marine, and even during the pandemic. Special mention to Ma'am Gloria, Kawili, and Feed the Hungry. Please give her a round of applause. Sometimes I get emotional when I speak about it because I was there. I was there few days after, just 3 days. The local government, which includes me, took us at least a week before we were able to go to communities. And I want to thank all of you who are here tonight for all your... I want to thank everyone who, in one way or another, be it in cash or in kind, whether you coordinated with the local government or private organization or went straight to the affected communities, you have earned a very special place in our hearts. If there's one good thing, I'm so sorry. If there's one good thing that came out of the pandemic and the calamities, it's the fact that we now know that there are a lot of people who care. And personally, I've seen and felt genuineness on your part to contribute in the betterment of Santa Marian. Last night, I met Sir Lorenzo Draculan from California for the first time. And immediately, he sat me down while everybody was dancing and said, Via, these are our plans for Santa Maria, right away. So tonight is your night. I want to commend you, all of you, for actively maintaining your link to Santa Maria. I hope and pray that the younger generations would find it in their heart to continue the legacy of Smisga and the other chapters. I would agree with Dr. Erdino when he said that we need more youngsters during reunions. My fear is that the socio-political climate in the Philippines would discourage them, But should you ever decide to go back to Santa Maria, be it in 2024 or some other time, whether or not I'm still part of the local government, please know that Santa Maria will be always there to welcome you home. Again, thank you so much. Just tell me na enjoy the rest of the evening.
Wow! Indeed, Attorney Leia.
Science and Food Technology. On your right, West Central School now shares the compound with East Central School after its relocation, enjoying sturdy school buildings. No other schools ever had to hold classes under the trees or in the gyms because there are adequate classrooms to accommodate all students. Schools, including the alternative learning system, are fully equipped and empowered by the government as well as private organizations. Now imagine arriving at the town plaza. Town folks welcoming you complete with cultural performances to showcase our heritage. Imagine looking up at the grandiose view of the church, now also a home for a mini museum, a repository of the town's cultural resources that will take you back in time. For a full experience, you hire a tricycle to take you to other tourist places. The driver himself is trained and knowledgeable enough to give you a briefer until a tourist guide in the area takes you. So then you get to visit the mangrove forest in Biao, the sugarcane production and processing in Maynganay and Tinaan, and learn about how to make balikutsa, palatipot, Ilocos vinegar, and other local products. The solid waste processing plant, which serves as recycling center and converts waste into organic fertilizers. And of course, the majestic Pinsan Falls. At the end of the day, you want to share your photos with access to the world. No worries, imagine Santa Maria with accessible public Wi-Fi. Remember what we said last night? Promote, promote, promote Santa Maria. At sunset, we return to Susu Beach, where a big festival awaits us. We meet people from different sectors. Imagine a farmer who actually makes a profit out of his crops. Imagine an underprivileged serving student who doesn't have to worry about his educational expenses. Imagine a new college graduate who has now more and better opportunities. A solo parent who doesn't have to worry about raising his kids by himself. A property owner and business owner who's no longer traumatized by heavy rains because of an efficient drainage system. We dance all night at the party, carefree. And now you have to open your eyes. We go back to reality and are faced with the fact that we have a long, long way to go to get to this exciting part. But we will make it happen, right? And you will be our partners. I understand we're here to have fun, and I don't want to take any more time from all the dancing, but there are just a few things I want to say, and please bear with me. I know I already did this last night, but again, I want to tell Dr. Ordino Baldaran, the man himself, would say those kind words about me. I would have never believed it. To the officers and members of the Santa Maria Ilocos Sur Global Association, headed by Dr. Ordino Baldonado, to our gracious host who did an incredible job at organizing these events, the Santa Maria Ilocos Sur Association of Nevada, under the leadership of Ma'am Margie Antonio, and of course, our reunion chairman, Mr. Alex Peña. To the officers and members of the various chapters, my dearest kakailians, my fellow guests, fabulous ladies and gentlemen, na imbag ken nagasat na radio ang hapon. Honestly speaking, I'm not entirely sure what to tell you because I thought I was just going to present the vision with Dr. Erlino, which you already did yesterday, but it's okay. I'm taking this as a compliment. It has been my pleasure to simply be here and attend the 13th Global Reunion. So to be elevated as a guest speaker is already way beyond the warm welcome I was hoping for, and I'm truly honored. So thank you. Thank you so much. As I have mentioned last night, I came here to try and ask for your help and support for the realization of a people-centered vision. Unfortunately, Mayor Boy Camarillo, Vice Mayor Michael Sorrendo, and the rest of the municipal councilors couldn't be here tonight. But I think, although we are not politically aligned, they would still agree when I say, please help us build a better future for Santa Maria and its people. Because a lot of you were not here yesterday, I would like to make a quick rundown of this people-centered vision and perhaps some things I forgot to mention. To make it a bit interesting, if it's not too much to ask, I would like to request that you close your eyes so you don't see me read my notes. But kidding aside, if it's not too much to ask, I would like to close your eyes and I'll take you on a little adventure. Now imagine yourself arriving in our beautiful town. You look over to your left and you catch a glimpse of Susu Beach and Nalbo Beach. But it's no longer as plain as you remember it. Now it's filled with coconut trees and boasts a mini park with a playground and perhaps a sandbox for little kids and kids at heart. People are busy even in the morning. Young adults opt for paddleboarding, playing beach volleyball or frisbee.
Santa Maria! Uy, agbiag, piiling ang Santa Maria! Oh my God, oh my God. I am very much honored to read to you the message of our beloved Mayor Boy Camarillo, who cannot be with us today. Very much honored because I never dreamt really to see face to face and hug with the influential people of my town, Santa Maria. So here is the message, ladies and gentlemen. President Dr. Erlino Baldonado, other officers of the Santa Maria Global Association Incorporated, guests, Santa Marians, ladies and gentlemen. At the outset, I wish to extend my profound gratitude to your kind invitation to me in this once again global reunion of Santa Marians to this part of the world. I also extend my profuse apologies for not making it personally to attend this gathering, as we must be personally at our hometown to continually address all concerns that will eventually redound to our collective benefit. My not being with you today does not mean I love you any less. But there are still many more opportunities for us to collaborate and share our resources and our desires of promoting the growth of our town and the well-being of our people. At any rate, I am ably represented by Dr. Gloria Tuzon, who herself plays an active part in our tourism and development efforts. By the same token, I wish to thank you, your association, especially through your president, Dr. Erlino Baldonado, not only for bringing us inspiration in our service to our town, but also by literally and figuratively sharing, by developing our youth in honing their skills and by educating them, as well as by helping them to be technologically driven in this fast-paced society. I am well reminded of the many contributions that you have given to our fellow Sta Marians, and these do not escape our attention and our sense of thanksgiving. For our part, we assure you that we are doing well our mandates. And while we silently do our job and had been attacked from all directions, our first term of office saw a remarkable growth and development, even though we were met by the pandemic at the beginning of our term. The pandemic did not stop us, while the world seemingly stopped from moving. Our collective efforts and determination lived on for us to deliver the necessary goods and services to our people. We are happy to report that in infrastructure alone, we have completed 10,091 roads, 1,390 still for implementation, 34 buildings constructed, 4 for construction, 3 courts completed, and 7 still for implementation. We have succeeded in pursuing social and health services to aid our people in terms of distress. Last year, we were badly hit by a flash flood that made our town submerged underwater. Our municipal hall was not spared from the devastation. The agricultural sector suffered a substantial loss. It changed our lives. However, our resiliency as a people is far beyond compare. Our efforts and response were immediate, and in a few days, we were back to normalcy. However, our institutional assistance was still in place to address all our concerns. We deal with disasters, well, not only because of our training, but because of our heart for our people. Our tourism efforts proved to be a potential with our infrastructure support. Agriculture is still our primary developmental arm. Recently, and with the support of the national government, through then our Kailian Secretary William Dar, there have been many projects set in place to boost our agricultural pursuits. We have established a local government that has a heart for our people. While you are from afar, it does not escape your attention, these feats that we have. Truly, the statistics would not lie. We are happy to report that in a recently published article, Sta Marian ranks number 8 in the 10 richest municipalities in the Philippines. Ipatantay mo na kadi ako. Because you have ranked, we are part of this. But we do not rest on our laurels. As I have said, we work without fear and favor silently, and achieve results as can be revealed by the changes in our people's lives. It is given that there are many disgruntled individuals who may attack us even on social media. It may have even reached you that our feeds would belie the baseless attacks hurled at us. With our given fresh mandate, this will not stop us from moving on and moving forward. The belief and the trust of our people in us serve as our inspiration to continue securing for our town and needs in this fast-changing world. I see on a personal note that your association, the Sta Marian Global Association, and all the smaller organizations will continue to be a formidable ally in securing a better Sta Marian for all of us. I shall always be mindful that we have you at our midst as our partner for development. Once again, thank you, and please accept our greetings from our people and our town, Sta Marian. So that is our mayor's message. Thank you very much.
then envelope. And then alright guys, there you go. 2019 Global Reunion host in Hawaii. Mr. Rose Pedronin. Pedronin dancers from Hawaii. Stand up to be recognized. Manang Shoni Sopnet, where are you? There she is. So Manang Shoni Sopnet and group from Santa Maria and also from Guam. Where are you guys? There you go. Okay, to be continued by our beautiful MC, Eric.
Thank you so much, Monica. Ladies and gentlemen, let's give them a round of applause. They come from all over the United States and even the Philippines. So we thank you so very much. You can be seated.
Dreams can turn to gold.